Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demo, we'll show how to perform host port discovery using Nmap. We will begin by identifying open ports using a UDP scan. To do this, open your terminal and enter the following command: Nmap-small s capital U. This initiates a UDP scan. -V for verbose output to check for open UDP ports and give detailed information during the scan. Then type 10.0 to 2.15, the target IP address. Press enter. We can see that the UDP scan is completed. You can see the output of given command here. Next, let's perform an XMOS scan. Simply bring back the previous command by pressing up arrow key and replace SU with SX. So the command becomes Nmap-small s capital X-V 10.0.2.15, the target IP address. Press enter. Here, the XMOS scan has completed. The output displays the static report of the given command. Now, let's see how to perform port discovery using Shell GPT. To do this, enter the following command in your terminal: sgpt-chat scan-shell. Type the following prompt in double quotes. Use Nmap script to find open ports in IP address 192.168.56.1, the target IP address. Press enter, then type capital E when prompted, and press enter again. Shell GPT will now run the command and provide the output. In the results, you can see that port 135 is open and used for Microsoft RPC. Port 139 is open and associated with NetBIOS Session Service. Port 445 is open and used for Microsoft Directory Services, Microsoft ES. Now, to clear the screen, type clear and press enter. Let's move on to retrieving service versions of the open ports. To do this, use the previous Shell GPT command simply by pressing up arrow key. sgpt-chat scan-shell and modify the prompt slightly. Type the prompt. Use Nmap script engine to find open port and their versions in IP address 192.168.56.1, the target IP address. Then press enter, type E when prompted, and press enter again. In a few seconds, you will receive detailed output. You will see that port 135 is open. It runs the MS RPC service, and the version is Microsoft Windows RPC. Port 139 is open. It runs NetBIOS SSN with the version Microsoft Windows NetBIOS SSN. Service information. The detected operating system is Microsoft Windows. Capital CPE : small CPE /O : Microsoft : Windows, which is a Common Platform Enumeration CPE identifier for vulnerability tracking. This is how you can perform port scanning using both Nmap and Shell GPT.